kalong mentah tu independen bodan haram prajing sha udon baki sengri ulum ndai namar baki HSPDP ki kala manin uman si ban hak ban le no sitai kat kum gajing sutho ka jong hi ma uru kwa mandon lah ha regional led party badia kata ngim la banong namar ka soyong election kadang don le siu nambo la ban kala la da mentah kala ban wan life way la da soyong ki job ki regional party kan long no life ar kita ngim la ban ong mentah ngim la ban predict ndai ka ba mentah ka jing kwa ka jong hi ka long ba ka government ka ban thau kan de ka regional party led ko ka politics maybe ka pilih anu rukom ngintip let's say you akata kapur la dagi jongi ki atli BJP ru wan lang seni ngintip ya taru kata kala banja kana banomja ka jingkwa hi ka jongi ka long bau konrak sangma lane na ka NPP kim de ban wan chief minister ngi kwa ban yu briu la jong long chief minister ngintip kumnu ki le kini briu ki bangi la jit namar ngi ngim la shu ban ong pi chief minister pi sim kani pi sim kata kamram ka jongi ka long ban pensau thu ki mengidon kam chief minister na ka jat briu what mandate I told you if you see the vote share the people have already given their you know what they want. They have already given them. It's not about the mandate. The mandate is in Garo Hills, maybe not in Khasi and Jant Hills. Ban reply ba Preston namar gantian yung ba Preston ting gila sulong kam kai palan. Ula pelong kam kai kajai penriu dak ba Ukraine giti gantian mengiwan penbet man ka sansnem gibrit kibet man ka sansnem. Ti ngingim da don kam ban phan mau deru arta rang ba am kwa ban keren ya mau deru rang ba na kajai penriu jong dak ba buram ingi kwa ban ong ba ka hitu Preston hitu la ban keren KHYC kam de political wing jong no ngingi de ka pressure group kai ka kamram ka jongi ka long ban put pressure ya government tingile ya kata hi mentaro manu ban implement at the end of the day ka BJP or central can implement not the Congress not the TMC
but just now you stated
no I said that I want no ngang ong ba ngakwa ngikwa ban yo iba ka regional led government should be formed which means BPP, UDP, HSPDP, PDF. Nah, makikin lead your government. Kata ka support ka ba ka TMC ka ay ka Congress ka ay ka
but without government. The support of the Congress and the TMC, the regional parties cannot form government.
Ngisuto, I know that. I know that's why they are supporting. Ban yun rin kata ka jingkli ka jong pi ong ya ka LP an ya ka tin ka sing IP. Who will implement? Implementation will come from the central. The central is kadon ka BJP. Ngidon kami kinoy lam ki bashim ka jingkli ta. Ngimdon kami kinong ilam kung kontrak sangma ba nakapor siya ong bet ba examination kat nu sin ni loong yalam baru anru pungut ki amet ban let sa Delhi balik lam yalam the all parties meeting ban let ya kendu yo Amit Shah ban let kendu yo Modi balik lam yalam let hi tong konrat let hi tong Preston shu let ya di sang tie dalade wan phai chen ni nakali ja yu examine ngidon kam yo nong yalam Your chief minister uban shame ka decision bala da don kam manlet ndru pungut ki amet li kin let la don kam bagi sang balang kin let ngin let lang la don kam ki dor bar snong kin let ngin let lang ban pane ka LP ban pane tim ka sino ko dali am kadai ngatrai kat akadi gajing sisha ba ngi don gajing empat idon gajing bom ya sotu apreng jongi let's see in the next 5 years ka kawini ki kamram jongi kum kajai tundu kum thot kajai tundu man penia teli bro kan let's see katang katnai ka next step I shwa bangi ba ka government ka ban lead manta kan dei ka regional front but chief minister um den kajai okay kijit kum HSPDP khamjit ban le rom NPP so kata kali we ka maning ko kabaar ban pa ni kajing kersan ban le chiki constituency ki jongki kat kum kajing tip jongi kalau mata kasi don meeting motion road don meeting ko ma korashan so let's see kira you perhatiin ketang sampai ke hajing sisang ngi ong hakajuk ka po a regional led government ba Preston kat haduk kan ni khleman udai na ka NPP so
but he's a Khasi.
But he is from the NPP, is not from the regional party.
Are you trying to communalize the post of the chief minister?
Nila keren na do mene ba ni ong ba ngi don kam a regional led government. Kata kare bani ko. Regional led government kumang yo I kumba kalong menta ka dai UDP, VPP, HSPDP. Kabangin yo hi yo brio la jong man chief minister.